In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of fish and uncovering the remarkable health benefits they offer. Now, when we talk about fish, we're not just referring to any ordinary seafood. We're talking about a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly enhance our health and well-being. So grab your fishing rods or perhaps just a snack, and let's explore the incredible benefits of incorporating fish into our diets. First off, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. You've probably heard this term thrown around a lot, especially in health circles. Omega-3s are essential fats that our bodies cannot produce on their own, which means we need to get them from our diet. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout, are some of the best sources of these essential fatty acids. Omega-3s are known to play a crucial role in heart health, reducing inflammation, and even improving brain function. Studies have shown that people who consume fish regularly have a lower risk of heart disease, thanks to the way omega-3s help lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and prevent the formation of arterial plaques. Now, let's shift gears and talk about brain health. It's no secret that our brains need the right nutrients to function optimally, and fish can be a significant contributor to cognitive health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fish are not just beneficial for our hearts, they're also vital for brain development and function. Research has indicated that regular fish consumption can help protect against age-related cognitive decline and may even lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease. The DHA, a specific type of omega-3 found in fish, is a major structural component of the brain and is essential for maintaining the health of our neurons. So, if you want to keep your mind sharp and your memory intact, adding fish to your plate might just be the way to go. But that's not all. Fish is also a fantastic source of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, making hormones and enzymes, and supporting overall growth and development. Unlike some other protein sources, fish is generally lower in saturated fats, making it a healthier option for those looking to manage their weight or reduce their cholesterol levels. Incorporating fish into your meals can provide you with the protein you need without the extra calories and unhealthy fats that come with red meat and processed meats. Let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals that fish brings to the table. Fish is rich in several important nutrients, including vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health and immune function. Many people are deficient in vitamin D, especially those who live in areas with limited sunlight. Eating fish, particularly fatty varieties, can help boost your vitamin D levels and support your overall health. Additionally, fish is a great source of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our bodies from oxidative stress and supports thyroid function. Now, for those of you who might be concerned about mercury levels in fish, it's essential to know that not all fish are created equal. While larger fish like shark, swordfish, and king mackerel tend to have higher mercury levels, there are plenty of safer options available. Smaller fish, such as sardines and anchovies, are typically lower in mercury and packed with nutrients. The key is to choose wisely and consume a variety of fish to minimize any potential risks while reaping the benefits. As we continue to explore the health benefits of fish, let's take a moment to discuss its role in weight management. Many people struggle with maintaining a healthy weight, and incorporating fish into your diet can be a game changer. Fish is not only low in calories, but also incredibly filling due to its high protein content. This means that you can enjoy a satisfying meal without consuming excess calories. Moreover, the omega-3s in fish have been linked to improved metabolism and fat burning, making it a fantastic addition to any weight loss plan. Now, let's talk about the versatility of fish in the kitchen. One of the best things about fish is how easy it is to prepare and how many different ways you can enjoy it. Whether you prefer it grilled, baked, steamed, or even raw in the form of sushi, there's a fish dish for everyone. You can pair it with a variety of vegetables, grains, and sauces to create a delicious and nutritious meal that suits your taste buds. Plus, fish cooks relatively quickly, making it a great option for those busy weeknights when you need something healthy on the table in no time. As we wrap up our exploration of the power of fish and its health benefits, it's important to remember that variety is key. While fish is an excellent source of nutrients, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet that includes a wide range of foods. So, whether you're a seafood lover or just starting to incorporate fish into your meals, remember to experiment with different types and preparations to keep things exciting. In conclusion, fish is truly a nutritional powerhouse that offers a myriad of health benefits, from heart and brain health to weight management and beyond. By making fish a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy delicious meals while taking significant strides toward better health. So the next time you're at the grocery store or the fish market, don't hesitate to pick up some fresh fish and get creative in the kitchen. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Until next time, happy eating.